Hello everybody, welcome to the Hacienda again. Ribbit here. Today we're going to make something nice, perfect for this time of summer, where you don't want to go outside and grill because it's too hot, but you want to eat some summer kind of food. So what we're going to make is hatch chili chicken sandwiches here. We've got 2 cans, 12.5 ounces each of chunk chicken breast meat. Very good stuff. We got 4 hatch chili peppers. We're going to need 2 eggs, half teaspoon each of Lawry seasoned salt and pepper, and some saltine crackers. Easy peasy. I'm going to show you how to make them, and this is going to be a delicious thing. Now, we're going to bake these in the oven. You can also fry them on the stovetop, or those of you with an air fryer, you can cook them in there. 3 ways to do it, and you can stay inside in the cool of the air conditioning and not go outside and sweat. Alright, so now we got the peppers roasted and they're cooling off. We're going to peel them here in a bit. Now here are the 2 cans of the chicken breast. You can see it's really nice, all white chunky meat. Now what I have done is I drained the cans through a sieve, a little handheld colander, into a bowl. This is going to be in case after we got everything said and done, the mixture seems a little too dry. We'll just add this by the tablespoon. So now with 2 forks, what we're going to do is just break up the chicken much more fine. Okay, so here we have the chicken all torn up, really nice. So what we're going to do first is add the Lawry seasoned salt and black pepper, half a teaspoon each, followed by 2 beaten eggs, okay, followed by exactly 10 saltine crackers crumbled up. Mrs. Ribbit has this recipe down to a science. And 5 mild hatch chili peppers. We've already used up all that case of hot ones. I froze some of them, roasted them and froze them. They had mild ones at the grocery store at the Hy-Vee, and so I bought a couple pounds of that. And it's really nice that on the weekends they pull out their roaster in the parking lot and they'll sell fresh roasted hatch chilies there too. The parking lot just smells fabulous. Alright, so what we're going to do, we got a spatula thing here. We're going to mix everything really well, incorporating everything, and let's see if we need to add any of that broth, okay? Alright, so here it is well blended. I had to add a total of 6 more crackers because I had failed to take into account the moisture that the hatch chilies was going to add to this. So that would be 16 crushed saltine crackers. Alright, so here we go. We got 4 handmade patties. I've lined a baking sheet with foil and I've shot the bottom with Pam. Now I'm going to shoot the top of each one of these with some Pam as well and stick it in a 350-degree oven, and I'll tell you how long it took to cook when they come out. There we go, fresh out of the oven. Beautiful patties, and they smell heavenly. Nicely golden brown on top. Yeah, look at all those hatch chilies in there. So let me get this out of the way and I'm going to show you how we're going to build our sandwich. Okay, so now we have a beautiful, delicious sesame seed bun. The first thing we're going to do is we got Plockman's mustard. We're going to put some mustard on the bottom. Like that. Next is the patty. Here we go. Look at that. Oh, steaming hot. Okay. On top of the patty, a nice slab of tomato. On top of the tomato, for adhesive purposes, we got some ranch dressing. Just going to put a little bit on top, like that. Okay. Then we got some green leaf lettuce. Now, you don't want to use a tough lettuce like iceberg. You want either Bibb or green leaf lettuce like this because it's nice and soft and tender. Get out of here, Nat. On top of that, we're going to put some ranch dressing on the top of the bun, and poop, there you go. Now there's your sandwich. Now it's got to have a side on it, so Lay's classic potato chips for what's in order. Let me get this bag open. Yeah. Beautiful. And there you have it. The Hatch Chili Chicken Sandwich. Sure beats Popeyes, I'll tell you that much. Thanks for sharing, people. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy it. Y'all take care.